IntelliFiber is a fiber optic sensor designed to protect most types of fences. IntelliFiber's sensing mechanism is completely immune to interference from lightning or other EMI sources. The lightweight sensing cable is simply attached to the fence fabric with cable ties. No conduit is required. Vibrations created by intrusion attempts, such as cutting, climbing, or lifting the fence fabric, distort the light along the fiber and are processed to cause an alarm. Each processor processes 2 zones of sensing cables, each of which can be 1,000 meters long, and communicates alerts into the control room. Senstar presents the UltraWave, the newest state-of-the-art fully digital bistatic microwave. UltraWave is a cost-effective virtual smart fence for open areas between 5 and up to 200 meters. Both sides communicate via an innovative data link, and therefore the transmitter side requires no wiring other than power. The receiver side is connected to the control room via dry contacts or Senstar's network. The system generates an electromagnetic cigar-shaped field. 10 high-isolation operating frequencies allow for flexible layout. UltraWave is easy to install, calibrate, and support. UltraWave is ideal for military bases, airports, correctional facilities, as well as any other high-profile CIP sites. Any intruder through the beam will trigger an alarm on the receiver side. Omnitrax is the leading buried cable intrusion detection sensor. The best coverage is achieved when the transmitting and receiving cables are buried 1 to 2 meters apart, creating an invisible radar-like detection field of about 3 meters wide. If an intruder disrupts the electromagnetic field, it will cause an alarm with accurate location to the nearest 1 meter. A single Omnitrax processor covers 2 segments, each of these up to 400 meters. For longer perimeters, processors can be networked. The sensor cables can also provide power and data. Omnitrax is completely covert and therefore extremely difficult to defeat. The detection accuracy enables precise pointing of a camera to the suspected location. Tunnel Guard uses seismic sensors buried near the perimeter in order to protect bank vaults, prison walls, or other assets. A cluster of 4 geophones covers a radius of well above 50 meters and can recognize the seismic footprint of digging, drilling, scraping, etc. by measuring their intensity and duration while filtering out irrelevant vibrations such as nearby traffic. FlexPI is an ideal sensor to protect the walls and ceiling of unattended warehouses and storage cages. It is optimized for indoor installation, easy to install, and integrate into existing alarm systems. Each processor supports up to 600 meters of sensing cable.